Victoria, I've been diving into personal finance lately. It's like a whole new world opened up. Did you know that budgeting can actually be fun?
Personal finance management. Tips for saving and investing.
Fun? Alex, are we talking about the same thing? Budgeting always sounded like broccoli, good for you, but not very tasty.
Trust me, it's more like chocolate with a hidden veggie, sneakily good. I started using this app that makes budgeting feel like a game. It even has a progress bar. It's like leveling up in real life.
Okay, that's intriguing. I love a good game. So, what's your high score in budgeting?
Well, I've managed to save 20% of my income for the past 3 months. I call it the latte factor, cutting out small daily luxuries that add up. I mean, who needs a $5 coffee every day, right?
Blasphemy. But I get it. Those lattes do add up. So, what's next after you save? Stuffing the cash under your mattress?
No way. That's old school. I'm all about investing now. I even started with index funds. It's like planting a money tree, water it with a little cash, and watch it grow over time.
Index funds, huh? I always thought investing was for people in suits and ties, not hoodie-wearing, Netflix binging folks like us.
That's the beauty of it. You don't need to be a stock market wizard. Index funds are like a smoothie with all the good stuff blended in, stocks from different companies. It's low risk and perfect for beginners. Plus, you can start with small amounts.
That sounds more my speed. But what about all these new investing trends, like cryptocurrency? Feels like everyone's either getting rich or losing everything.
Ah, the wild west of investing. Crypto's like a roller coaster, thrilling but unpredictable. I dabble a little, but only with what I can afford to lose. It's important to have a balanced portfolio, like mixing veggies and dessert, some safe investments and a few risky ones for the thrill.
So, index funds are the veggies, and crypto is the dessert?
Exactly. But remember, it's not about cutting out the fun stuff, it's about balance. And speaking of balance, I also set up an emergency fund. It's like a financial cushion, so if life throws a pie in my face, I'm ready.
A pie in the face sounds deliciously disastrous. But I like this emergency fund idea. How much should I aim for?
The rule of thumb is 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's like your financial airbag, just in case.
Makes sense. I guess it's time to start my own budgeting game. But, quick question, how do you stay motivated to stick to all this?
I treat myself when I hit goals. It's like gamifying my finances. Save $500? I get a new book or a small gadget. It's all about positive reinforcement.
So, you're basically treating yourself like a well-trained pet? I love it. This whole conversation has been like a light bulb moment. I'm ready to jump on the personal finance train.
That's the spirit. And hey, if we stick to this, who knows? Maybe we'll be sipping lattes in Paris next year, paid for by our smart investing.
Now that's a plan I can get behind. Paris. Here we come, one index fund at a time.
Cheers to smart saving, investing, and future adventures.
Cheers. And to figuring out this adulting thing, one budget at a time.